So this is the Samsung Galaxy S10e, the slightly cheaper model in the Galaxy S10 lineup, and to me, possibly one of the most interesting of these soon to be released models. From the outset, it would be foolish not to think that the Samsung Galaxy S10e isn't aimed squarely at the iPhone XR and possibly the OnePlus 6T. For starters, the smaller build is not hindered by GIMP specs, with everything internally matching that of the bigger S10 siblings, but with a few key hardware exclusions that do keep the price down. I must say that it easily is the most enticing device as far as I'm concerned, as it bucks the trend of massive handsets, or at least it feels that way compared to the competition. Then consider that the Samsung Galaxy S10e has a wider range of colours, of which I was instantly drawn to the yellow and green from the very get-go. When in the hand, it doesn't feel in any way cheap or cut price, but the lower entry barrier pricing genuinely makes me think that this might be the best seller for the new S10 line. One UI flies just like it does on the S10 and S10 Plus with the exact same chipset. You will have the exact same experience. The cameras have been downgraded slightly with only 2 cameras instead of the 3 found on the larger siblings, but I think they've arguably put the best 2 in there, the wide angle and standard lens. It will be very interesting to see how it stacks up against some of the very best on the Android platform too, including the S10 and S10 Plus in their camera stakes. Beyond that, there is no in-display reader on this device. Instead, it is a side-mounted option that in my opinion is much better. I found it worked really well and I'm excited to try it again in a full review in the future. It must be said that the flat display too might be more some people's cup of tea. I don't actually mind the edge display, but from a screen protection and case perspective, a flat display is way more preferential. Overall, despite only having the device for a short period of time, the package is more than enticing to warrant a closer look if you're looking to upgrade from an older handset. For this slightly lower entry price, you do genuinely get true flagship specs, a great display and just a few hardware features missing. There's no doubt that this device is seriously looking to take a few scalps. Hopefully you've enjoyed that super quick hands-on with the Galaxy S10e. Be sure to subscribe to be among the very first to see our full review of the device in the coming weeks. But this is Damien from 9to5Google saying thanks again for watching, and I will speak to you later.